Think back, Pilgrim.
Come out so I can see you, shouts the cow. Your song is so beautiful. Thank you, says the cicada, but I prefer to remain in the shadow. I do not seek a stage, says the cicada. Then why do you sing? Asks the cow. I am calling to the others to create a chorus, said the cicada, and we can all throw our voices so the hunters can never find us. Ah, that's too bad, replied the cow.
Over the years.
Oh, my friend, said the cicada. One day your father will introduce you to the knife. I prefer freedom. I possess nothing except my song. And even that is to be shared.
He wouldn't do it unless we were all together.
What's in the fucking box?
Tonight I go to the river.